Greetings and welcome back to Are You Clueless About Algebra? And here I'm going to give an example with some X's on the right side of the whiteboard and some arithmetic on the left side. So I have a few examples. First one just says x plus x is 2x or twice x. The 2 and the x together means that 2 is being multiplied by the x. So if you see a number and a variable such as x together like that, it means they're being multiplied. For a comparable arithmetic example, I'm going to let x equal 5. So this is really saying 5 plus 5 is 10. We'll compare these two expressions, equalities. I'm letting x equals 5. I'm assigning the number 5 to the value of x, so we don't need to do any solving for x or any other scary algebra stuff of that kind yet. Well, I have a 5 plus a 5 corresponds to the x plus the x. 10 is the sum, and the 2x means, it's just 2 times 5, and 2 times 5 is 10. Next example. 3x plus x equals 4x. So in place of 3x, I'm going to multiply 3 by 5, or letting x equal 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And then plus x is just 5, so I'm just going to put the 5 in. And 15 plus 5, we probably did that in half a second as well, 20. And over here this is saying 3 times 5 plus 5 equals 4 times 5. And we found the 3 times 5, the 3x is indeed 15. And x is a 5, 15 plus a 5, like we did over there. The left side is 4x. 4x in this case means 4 times the x. We're letting x equal 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So here we have another example of what's called combining like terms. We are combining x's with x's, just like adding together apples to apples or oranges to oranges. A subtraction example. 7x minus 4x equals 3x. So I'm going to use our 5 again. 7 times 5 times tables is 35. Take away 4x. X is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And equals 3x. That's 3 times 5, 15. Does that make sense? Yeah, we'll be starting to, if not already. 7 times a 5 is 35. 4 times a 5 is indeed 20. And 7x minus 4x is indeed 3x. 3 times 5 is 15, so these look good. Last example. 2x plus a 3x minus a 5x is 0x. It looks like an ox, but it's really a 0 times x. And we just call that 0, because 0 times anything is 0. And conversely, anything times 0 is 0. X is still 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. And we have a subtraction. 5 times 5 is 25. And we have additions and subtractions. Follow the order of operations, left to right. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 minus 25. Taking a number from itself is indeed 0. Just drawing little arrows corresponding the algebra to the arithmetic. So I hope that made the concept of combining like terms and some simple operations with and without x's more clear. Thanks for watching.